baby, show me.
What's up guys, welcome back to Shopaholics AMPM. So today I'll be comparing the two fitness bands from Xiaomi. One is Mi Band 3 and the other one is Mi Band 4, which was recently launched in China. So let's get straight to the video. Guys, the Mi Band 4 is better than the Mi Band 3, but let's see what's new, if it's a worthy upgrade. Should you upgrade from Mi Band 3 to Mi Band 4? So let's check out the build quality and the strap first. The strap is exactly the same, soft touch silicone strap, which is good, and both have the exact same form factor, and they have continuous heart rate monitor. I believe Mi Band 4 has an improved one. And now let's check out the screen. So Mi Band 3 has a 0.78 inch OLED display and Mi Band 4 has a 0.95 inches AMOLED display, which is a colored one, and the display resolution is really good this time, so I like it. Display, no issues with the display. Now the battery life, both have 15 to 20 days of battery time. It depends if you turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring, if you use the sleep tracker. And when it comes to the charging cradle, there's a difference this time. This is Mi Band 4's charging cradle, both have USB connector. And Mi Band 3. But Xiaomi could have given those magnetic chargers like the ones we get in Huawei bands A2 and Huawei Band 2 Pro. So that would have been really good, but it's fine. And both are 5 ATM water resistant, so no issues. You can take it in the pool, rain, it will not damage the band at all. Now when we check out the exercise modes, Mi Band 3 just has a couple of exercise modes, that is treadmill and exercise, and both lack inbuilt GPS. You have to use the app for it. When we go to the workout mode, we got outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, pool swimming. So we basically got 6 of them in Mi Band 4.
Man, now they're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I.
And when we check out the settings menu, that's the weather, notifications. So we got stopwatch, and we go to more, find my device, screen, we got 3 watch faces, about, factory reset. So that's it, that's what we got in the Mi Band 3. But in the Mi Band 4, it's quite different. We got D&D, do not disturb, alarm, music, we can control our music, stopwatch, timer, find my device, band display, settings, brightness, lock screen, and the brightness is really good. If you can see, the brightness is quite good. And this is a really good upgrade. We got 3 inbuilt watch faces in Mi Band 4, but when we go to the app, we get around 67, 69 watch faces. Actually, Xiaomi has claimed 67 watch faces, but if we check out the app, there's just 44, 45 of them. Maybe we'll see more watch faces in a software update. And I want to talk about the sleep tracking. It wasn't so accurate, the sleep tracking. Sometimes it will show me inaccurate results, but until now it's been resolved, the sleep tracking. it shows me accurate results, quite accurate. So I'm happy with that improvement from Mi Band 4. Just in case if you have been wondering, this is the Samsung Galaxy Fit E. I had unboxed this one 5-6 days ago on my channel, so you can check it out if you want to. Let's get back to the Mi Bands. So first let's talk about the screen. Screen has been great till now. Better resolution, color display, and AMOLED one, bigger display. So screen wise it has been a really good upgrade. When it comes to step tracking and all, Mi Band actually claims they have added the 6-axis accelerometer, so the readings should be more accurate. Heart rate is more accurate, and the significant difference I've seen in sleep tracking, so that's really good. And when we go to the options, settings, more, we have got D&D alarm, etc., many more options, so that is great. The one which I've used the most is music, because I like controlling my music from the Mi Band 4 sometimes, and they have added many watch faces, 45 something, so that's been great. I always keep on trying new watch faces. So I think, to sum up all, Mi Band 4 is a really good upgrade. I think even if you got Mi Band 3, you should definitely check it out, and if possible do upgrade. Mi Band 4 is great. And that's it for today, guys. Like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Shopaholics NPN. And soon I'll be comparing Mi Band 4 with Samsung Galaxy Fit E and the Huawei Band 4. So stay tuned for those videos. See you soon. Peace.
Who